Welcome back to my channel. This video is called Haunted Dogs, and the haunted dogs are haunted. They will chase you. Their victims, which they want to eat really bad, is me, the filmer, and other people. Okay, the video has now started. And 10.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. I saw one. Look at us, guys. Keep the door shut. Don't stop it, okay? I don't know if the video good. Let's just go quickly, pretend to go outside. Wait, I'll get a sword.
Okay.
This is my most powerful sword. Let's go.
Let's see.
Run! Everybody, get on your shoes out. We're going outside.
No, we're not going outside, bro. Come on, bro.
What's up? Can we go outside? That's what we're doing. Okay, we're going outside to get away from those haunted dogs. It's very cold out, but they're haunted.
Wait for me. I'm putting on my shoe.
Me too. I'll take it. Okay, let's just go. I don't know if you could see me right now because I am a bad filmer, and it's me that's filming right now because my friend's put on his shoes. Okay, but if you want
see you,
subscribers, make sure you do subscribe. I'm gonna get back to the filmer. Oh, stop doing that. Okay, let's go outside, bro. Filmer.
Can we restart?
Go. Go. Restart. Go. Better have one restart.
You just got away from the dogs.
Follow me. We're gonna go to my bus stop. We should go. Let's just hope they don't. We'll wait something. I said these dogs won't run away. Look!
There's the dog. Run!
We're gonna have to go right away.
That's why you should put your shoes the right way. You put the shoes on the other leg and the other shoe on the other leg. And it's clear. She's hungry and she wants to eat us.
Guys, in the bus.
Hey. you.
I see the powerful one. Let's go. Oh no! I think we should just stay here for now. It's cold. I don't think it's gonna be a hard way. An idea. Look at this rain. We are being able to pass one of the ways. Past the haunted dogs looking at us. There's a chance we could get inside farming. But we can. If they look at your eyes, you're poisoned and you become haunted. So we have to be careful. Let's go use the water.